Good day, everybody. My name is Patrick Gould, Software AG Government Solutions. I'm going to cover two topics in my webinars today, both with Natural One, and these are about gems that you may not know about. I have an agenda, so let's show you exactly what's going to be in these webinars. I'm going to cover two topics. One's going to be free training that is available on the Software AG education portal. And then also there are a whole lot of Natural One tutorials on the Software AG site that you may find very useful. I really hope you have a good time watching these, and I hope you learn lots. Hi, so if you use the URL that was in the first portion of the agenda, it will take you to the Software AG Learning Portal. To actually use the portal, you would either use your Empower user ID, or you would create a user ID here on the site to participate in this training. Once you've logged into the site, one would just simply go to the catalogs and choose which training you would like to participate in. If this is the first time that you are using the site, my suggestion is you go down to this link over here, and this link will now show you how to actually use this portal to its full extent. So if I play the video, it's actually going to be Cynthia Stegall that will explain to you exactly how to use this site. I'm not going to show the whole video at this point, but this is an idea of what it will be about.
Hello, it's Cynthia again from the Learner Experience team. You may have heard a lot of talk about the fact that we're now offering all this free training, but you're not sure where to find it. How do you get access to this free training you keep hearing about? Well, I'm here to give you a quick little tour.
So once you've completed that video from Cynthia, you'll be ready to go with the free training. So I hope you really enjoy it. The second gem on the agenda today is the tutorials. So if you take that URL that I have in the PPT, when you click on that URL, you'll be taken to this screen over here. And this is the tutorial screen. So if we go down a little bit, you'll see the different breakdown of the different tutorials we have. So for you guys, the Natural One Experience by Natural One is the one and only, is the one to choose. You'll now be taken to this page over here, and you'll see there are about 10 videos that are available for your viewing. For example, if we choose the first one, which is of course the basics, if we go along and play this one, you'll see there's a beautiful video on Natural One.
Software AG's Natural One is based on the Eclipse open source platform. Eclipse is currently...
So once you've watched that or watched all of these, I think you'll be a lot more comfortable with Natural One. And again, if you have any questions, please get hold of us and we can help you in any which way we can. So I hope you enjoyed this webinar. We'll be sure to make some more. I have a couple more gems that I'll be showing in the future. So please be with us whenever you can. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.